How to send large video file in WhatsApp? You can, guys, you can send the large video on WhatsApp easily with the original size and original quality. Okay, so when you try to send any video file on WhatsApp, so it will be, compressed, or it unable to send the full file or videos. I will show the simple trick you can send the original video file and original quality. So guys, let's start with the video. I'm going to show you in Android, but if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same steps. So let's start with the video. So guys, here you can see I'm on my Android. So let me open first WhatsApp. So let me open my WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp, and let me open this my friend, and I want to send the original file, long video file here. So simply, generally people click on this paper pin icon and select the gallery, but if you want to send the long video with the original size and original quality, you have to select the document. You have to send the video file as a document form. Okay, so just click on document, and from here you can see there is a all file I can send as a document, like PDF, mp3, mp4. Okay, so this mp4, I have mp3 also. Okay, this jpg file, I just scroll down and show you the all files I can send as a document. So if I click on this browse, and there is a means option, my file manager will be open. Now I have to click again and go to the videos, and here I will see all videos. So I just click on my, okay, which videos, download videos, and here you can see this is 8.34 MB videos, and this is a long video. I just click on it and just send it. So you can see this is 34 MB video has been sent, and with mp3 file. So your friend, if you click on it, it will be open in, as a video. So if I open it, so it will be open MX player and photos, whatever player you have. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.